what would you say if I told you there was a way to engage with your students, increase your educator presence and deliver your message consistently while freeing up your time to invest into other areas? Would you like to know more? Well, the answer is just one word, and you may have guessed it, it's video. Hi, my name's Chris and we are Blade, dedicated to keeping educators at the cutting edge of blended learning and digital education by providing tools, tips and techniques to create engaging learning experiences. If you're new to the channel, please click subscribe to keep up to date with our content. Now, video is an immensely powerful and flexible educational tool. It can capture elements of your personality and your expertise. Explainer videos can introduce information and can help to build understanding. Screen recordings can be used to deliver information. Interviews can help share expert knowledge with a wider audience. And there are many other types and uses of video that ultimately help to lock down some of your expertise in order to free you up to do other more engaging activities. So in that case, why don't we use more video? Well, in short, it can be intimidating, it can take time, you might not have the right equipment, you don't like how you look or sound on video. Something that holds me back personally is wanting to create something that's perfect, so an element of fear of judgement. Now, these are all reasonable things to be concerned about, but the reality is, if we can just push those things aside and press record, guess what will happen? Well, you'll probably create an okay video, and an okay video is better than no video. Then you'll hit record again, and you create a slightly better video. So the point is that to leverage this immensely powerful educational tool, we have to start creating, and we can learn and grow from there. So to get us started, I have a challenge. It's for everybody to push aside the inner critic, to start small, to start messy, to open your camera and press record, to create a welcome message for a subject that you're teaching in this semester. So it just needs to be a 2 to 3 minute video that maybe introduces you, maybe share something interesting about yourself. Why do you like the subject that you will be teaching? Maybe what the students can expect. Anything you put into this video is fine, because firstly the aim is to just press record to start the journey of content creation that will make your life easier in the long run by allowing you to create reusable content chunks. And the second aim is to share some of your presence in the virtual space to make a connection with your students. In the next video, we'll introduce a quick and easy free tool that you can use to create your welcome video. So good luck and just hit record.